How to make a woman happy during pregnancy, a happiness guide for your queen. Imagine if you had a magic recipe that could make someone feel amazing during a really important time. Guess what? You do have it. If you know a woman who is pregnant, you can be a big part of making her feel happy and loved. Here's how you can mix up that magic recipe. Step by step. Pregnancy is like a roller coaster ride with lots of ups and downs, especially for the person who is pregnant. If you are a friend, family member, or partner, you can help make this journey a joyful and comfortable one. Here are simple, thoughtful, and caring ways to support and make a pregnant woman happy. 1. Listen to her. The very first step in our magic recipe is to listen. It's easy. When she talks about how she feels or what she needs, listen carefully. Sometimes, she might feel tired, or maybe a little scared. When you listen, it helps her know that she's not alone. 2. Help with chores. Imagine wearing a big, heavy backpack all day. That's what being pregnant can feel like sometimes. You can be a big help by doing things around the house. Maybe you can clean, cook, or even help with laundry. Every little bit you do helps a lot and makes her feel cared for. 3. Bring on the fun. Everyone needs to have fun. Why not watch her favorite movie together, or play a simple game? You could even plan a small picnic in the park. A little bit of fun can make her smile and feel relaxed. 4. Cravings and cooking. Pregnant women often get cravings, sudden strong desires to eat specific foods. It might be something sweet or something salty. Whatever it is, help her get that craving. You can also cook healthy meals for her. Good food is important for her and the baby. 5. Go to doctor appointments. Going to doctor appointments with her is another way to show you care. These visits are important because they tell her how the baby is doing. You can listen, ask questions, and learn things that will help both of you understand better. 6. Comfort is important. Making her comfortable is super important. Maybe she needs extra pillows to sleep better, or a comfy pair of shoes because her feet are tired. Small things like making sure she has a nice place to sit or a cool drink can make a big difference. 7. Talk about the baby. It's exciting to think about the future. You can talk about baby names, or what the nursery will look like. Planning for the future can make both of you feel excited and happy. 8. Encourage time with friends. Friends can make us feel great. Encourage her to spend time with her friends. They can chat, laugh, and enjoy some time together. Being with friends is like a special kind of medicine that makes you feel good. 9. Pampering her. Pampering means making someone feel very special and cared for. A nice massage, a relaxing bath, or even a day at a spa can make her feel wonderful. When she feels pampered, she feels happy. 10. Keep showing your love. Telling her that you love her, giving her a small gift, or even a note that says something sweet can make her day brighter. Love is powerful, and reminding her that she is loved is very important. 11. Be patient. Sometimes, pregnancy can make women feel like they are on an emotional roller coaster. One minute they might be happy, and the next, they might feel sad or frustrated. Being patient is like giving her a quiet, safe space where she can feel any way she needs to. 12. Celebrate the small things. Every little milestone can be celebrated. Maybe it's hearing the baby's heartbeat for the first time, or the end of her first trimester. Celebrating shows that every step of this journey is important and exciting. Remember, making a pregnant woman happy doesn't require magic. Just a kind, caring heart and a willingness to help and be there for her. By following these steps, you are not just making her feel good. You are making the journey to becoming a parent joyful and memorable for both of you. So go ahead, use these tips and be the reason she smiles every day. Each of these steps is like an ingredient in a recipe that results in happiness. When you mix them all together, you create a wonderful time for her, filled with care, love, and joy. This is a special time in her life, and with your help, it can be one of the happiest too.